Our homeowners bought this bungalow 5 years ago. Sigma Homes came in and carried out a major renovation. Today, we get to hand over a new home. And I love it, it's so inviting. Let's take a look inside. This kitchen is much more than a pretty face. Its design has been very well thought out. And these double doors that fold back are exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, we've got a gorgeous LED, we've got our granite running right through, but it's when these doors are open, it's the freedom and the space you have is what it's all about. Another design detail that stands out is how this kitchen returns around the corner. Even the handles match the rad behind me. The heart of the home has been created around this fire surround. We've got this gorgeous textured tile, matching grout, and all this gives it that solid feeling. Underneath, we've got that double-sided stove, and it's all these combined is what makes this the perfect finish. From here, we really get to see the second half of this stove. Underneath, we've got wood storage, we've got a granite finish, but it's the connection between both rooms is where the magic lies. Overhead, this light fitting has been perfectly chosen to finish off this room. This unit will really be put to good use, particularly as the kids get older. It'll make the perfect study. All these rooms have been redesigned to give us additional space. But one of the key features that I love is the wall color runs up the wall onto the ceiling, giving this room its own character. This leads us into our main bathroom. To our left, we've got that beautiful white brick tile with black grout and black features. And to my right, we've got our mirror, our sink, and a busier tile. And together, they really work well. This leads us into our master bedroom. Here we capture all those country views. This room has lots of generous space, but it's the ensuite and the interior design finishes that really stand out. To our homeowners, we really look forward to share our 10-year warranty, and to Sigma Homes and the team, yes, it's another project finished on schedule.